Once upon a time, in a cozy kitchen filled with the warm scent of maple syrup, lived a stack of fluffy pancakes. They were all golden and delicious, ready to be gobbled up for breakfast. But among them, nestled at the very bottom, was the littlest pancake of all. He wasn't as big or round as his brothers and sisters, and he felt a little bit insignificant. But the littlest pancake had a big dream. He didn't want to be eaten. He wanted to explore the world. One morning, as the family sat down for breakfast, the littlest pancake took a chance. He wiggled and jiggled, and with a tiny leap, he popped off the stack and landed on the table. The family gasped. Mom picked him up gently. "Oh, the littlest pancake," she exclaimed, "but you're too small to eat on your own. You might get lost." The littlest pancake said, "Don't worry," he said bravely. "I'm not going to get lost. I'm going on an adventure." And so the littlest pancake's big journey began. He hitched a ride on a bumblebee's back, soared through the air like a hot air balloon, and even took a dip in a cup of hot chocolate, which was a bit too hot, but that's another story. Along the way, the littlest pancake made all sorts of friends. He played hide-and-seek with some ants in a picnic basket, shared stories with a wise old owl perched on a tree branch, and even helped a lost ladybug find its way back home. The littlest pancake learned that even though he was small, he could do big things. He could be brave, he could be kind, and he could make a difference in the world. Just as the sun began to set, the littlest pancake felt a little homesick. He missed his family and the cozy kitchen where he was born. He hitched a ride on a firefly's light and flew back home. The family was overjoyed to see him. They gathered around him, listening to all his tales of adventure. The littlest pancake realized that even though he loved exploring, there was no place like home. And so the littlest pancake settled back into his place on the stack. He was still small, but his heart was full of big stories and the courage to dream. He knew that even the smallest pancake could have the biggest adventure, and that every day was a chance to explore the world, make friends, and find his way back home. What would your pancake dream adventure be? Share your favorite part of the story with your friends. Like and subscribe for more pancake adventures.